Lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. Here's your finished goal, a loose-based arrangement, mixed flower design. Start with your lilies on the upper deck, lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. Yes, and you're going to build that dome. I call it George Bush's points of light. Who remembers that? Yeah. Somebody said, yeah. Not many of you do. Yeah. George Bush's points of light. It's like the dome. Pretend there's a snow globe on the top of your vase. You're doing American design, loose-based flowers, just around in an even dome. Set your lilies on the outside, then work your way around the dome. Upper deck, lower deck, penthouse. This is your finished project right here. A dome of color, nothing sticking up, nothing stuck in, all even. The sun is sitting on the vase, your flowers are orbiting equal distance from the sun. This is what you do in a flower shop all day. You vase flowers. You either want it wrapped or arranged. Guys will say, what do the guys say? They go, give me a setup. They call it setups. I'll take a setup. Number one order in America. Flowers arranged in a vase. Keep blooming.